Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I am back with another video in the How to Make Your First Sale Online Shopify for Beginners case study. So today I am just going to simply show you guys how to set up your password page so you can start getting some type of traction or getting emails before you completely like open up your shop. And if you already start sharing or making your first post, then people can actually have some place to give you their email address where you can then have some emails already to send a email out when the shop is ready, or teasers, or just anything that you want to send beforehand. So this is your dashboard in your Shopify store, and you're just going to go ahead and click on online store. We have not decided on a theme or anything yet. So right now we're just going to use the current debut theme, and then we're going to hit customize. So because we're not sure what we want our store to look like yet, we're just concerned about the password page. As the days go by, you'll get more into designing, colors, and all that. But today we just want to have our landing page, which is our password page, to actually look like something when you go to our website. Okay, so now you're in the customize part, and you're going to go up to the top. And from the drop down menu, you're going to hit password page. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then you can go into the header and you can select your image. I'm just probably going to put the logo. So let's see which one I'm going to use. Oh, I don't want to use the one with the white words because you probably won't be able to see it. So we're going to use our logo, which is there. Okay. And we can make it bigger, smaller. That's a good size. We can just leave coming soon there. I'm gonna hit the back button. Sorry guys. And it says, be the first to know when we launch, or I could just put welcome to slothloft.com. And then I'll put will be opening shortly, but in the meantime, drop your email for early access. Make it enticing. So then they put their email address in there, and then you just put sign up. Okay. Then you go back, and then they have a footer here, and we can just put our let's put one-stop shop for all things sloth. Okay, that's what we're gonna put there. So, and then they have Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, those things there. All right. So, all right, so we are pretty much good to go. So you can check out the view on the phone, what it looks like on the computer, and this is just a full view of what it looks like. I'm not sure, did it show anything about a background page? Let me see. Didn't show anything about a background or anything, but we're gonna hit save. Then I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna type in slothloft.com, and you'll see the password page that we just did. So that just looks a little better for for anyone visiting your site, okay? So I'm gonna go back here and go back to Shopify. All right, so right now it's just basically saying, okay, this is your current theme. You have pages, navigations, and we're gonna go over to preference really quick. So on your home page, just basically says, what do you want this to say? And I wanted to say the business name, and I wanted to say one-stop shop for all things sloth. So this is something called like metadata. I'm gonna probably put this in the same thing, but you want to accurately express what your website is about in detail. You also want to add a lot of keywords that you think people will be using. So I'm gonna say apparel, sloth necklaces, and jewelry, sloth t-shirts, and sloth mugs. Now, I have not picked my actual product yet, but this is what I'm leaning towards. I haven't picked it as the time this video was recorded, but you guys will see I will pick these things. We'll come back later and put in our Facebook pixel here. But this is like the password page. So you just want your, your metadata to be good. And it's a good idea to, let's see how much time I've talked. So we can just check out the themes right now. So let's look at some of the themes. So we want to look at the free ones. And no matter what we do, we want to make sure that this is simple and clean. And I'm probably going to go with the simple theme. Mainly because it basically shows that you want the product to be at the forefront, easy, quick to come to, super simple. So we're going to add that to our theme library. And this is you choosing a theme. So, and you can switch it. So now I'm going to show you how to use that one. Because right now the current theme is, just a debut theme. And so we're going to say actions, and we're going to say we're going to publish this one, okay? Your password page is enabling. It can't be disabling after publishing. So we're going to change the theme. And then we're going to, so now the theme shows is simple. That was super simple. If we want to switch it and duplicate it, rename it, edit the code, preview it, you can preview it here. Everything should look the same with the wording with the password page when we do that. But we'll go over here so we can see what the password page looks like versus how your shop will look. So I'm going to go to customize, and we're going to select the password page again. This is after we changed the theme. So so far we've changed the theme and we've created, a nice little landing page for our thing. So because we changed different themes, we have to do that again. Because we want the content to be cohesive, okay? So I'm just going to put welcome to Sloth Loft. So I'm not going to put anything there. I'm just going to put sign up. Okay, go back. All right, so got all that, and that's what this one will look like. And then since I saved that, I should be able to refresh, and then you kind of see the new one, how that looks. Okay, so that was your password protection page, just so your store can look like something when someone goes on to your store, your actual store, so it doesn't look crazy. So far I've showed you how to sign up for Shopify. I've showed you how to pick a theme. You can actually pay for themes if you want to, if you don't want the free themes. I'm going to use the free theme. I showed you how to create your password page. I showed you how to change a theme and customize your password page. So far that's it for this video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And guys, don't forget to check out gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith. There is a plan your brand workbook and case study checklist that is available on my Gumroad store. First 20 people to purchase and use the code YouTube gets $10 off. So check that out. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.